How to use local files on Spotify on iPhone. Hello everybody, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can use local files on Spotify on iPhone. Well, the process is simple. To use local files on Spotify to add your local songs from your device to playlist on Spotify, you'll have to enable the local files option. To enable it on your iPhone, you want to open up Spotify, right? Then tap on the profile icon at the top left corner and tap on settings and privacy. So once you're on the settings page, you should find the option here that says apps and devices. So you can see the apps and devices option right here on the screen. Click on it or tap on it and open it up. Then scroll down and you can see the local audio files. Lets you add tracks from this device to your library. So you can enable this and click on allow and again allow it. And now you'll be able to add local songs from your device to your library. So this is how you can easily enable and add local files on Spotify on iPhone. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.